The grill on the Smeg ovens is thermostatically controlled, making it very easy to use, and unlike older ovens that used infrared rip-roaring grills where you felt compelled to bring up a chair and watch the food in case it turned, this is going to control the temperature precisely. Now you can see in the control panel here that we've got 250 degrees selected, and on some ovens it's possible to go even higher to 280 degrees. And you will see that grill pulsing on and off, glowing red, going dark, to ensure that it maintains that temperature. Now we grill with the door shut on the Smeg ovens because that will help us to save energy. By grilling with the door open, you actually lose 50% of the heat, and there's also the potential of drying out the food. Now there's no fear that we can't see what's going on inside the oven whilst it's in use, because there is always a light that can be switched on, giving you clear visibility of that top shelf. So on this particular model, we just use the button to turn the light on, and I can see my bacon grilling. On others, it's just a little flick of the switch. So all in all, really effective grilling results because you can control the temperature, you can see what's going on, and we're not wasting any energy. The grill is ideal for thin cuts of meat, such as our bacon,